Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Ripples on Road. Namaste everyone. I hope you all are keeping good. And today is a special day because after 2.5 years I am traveling in a train from Chennai Central railway station to Kerala. That is, I'll be traveling to Palakkad. So this is the way to the station, and I took a tuk-tuk auto rickshaw. And this is the route of the train. It starts from Chennai, that is the capital of the Tamil Nadu, and it goes via Katpadi. Then it takes other important stations are Salem, Erode, Coimbatore, and then Palakkad. And this train again it travels further to Thiruvananthapuram, that is the capital of Kerala. So from one capital to the another capital. So this is the station. It was built in 1873 and it is known as Chennai Central Railway Station, and it's a beautiful station. There's the Indian flag over there, and this is how it looks from outside. And this is the front side where you can park your car. There's a parking area, and as we move inside, I'll show you this. There are beautiful mural paintings, and it looks so beautiful. And the station is really very clean. No garbage or litters around, and as we move there are some more mural paintings, and I appreciate the artist who did this painting. It's really beautiful. It's very difficult to climb up and do this painting. It's very tiring. So you can hear the sound of the locomotive. So this as we enter, there is a waiting area here. And there is a retiring room also. If passengers want to stay for a night, you can stay on the platform. There are rooms over there, air conditioned and non-air conditioned. So these are the passengers who are waiting for their train. And this is the time. I have reached here 6:58. My train is at 7:45 in the evening. So I have come early because we don't know, because the COVID protocol, we don't know what it is. So that's the reason I have come very early here. And this is the indicator where they show the arrival and departures of the train. So you can check out whether your train is in time. And my train is in time. And there are refreshment rooms also, and you can buy your snacks or maybe dinner or lunch, whatever. I am carrying my own dinner, so I have no need to buy. There are inside also the beautiful painting. This is the locomotive which shunts the empty carriages. So this locomotive was very famous. It was built in 1970s and very famous because this was one of the important locomotives which used to haul the trains all over India. So my train is this one. It's called Chennai Thiruvananthapuram Mail. The reason why it is we have express and mail trains. Mail is where the postal services are involved. So they carry the parcels and even the post and everything. So this train has about 24 coaches. There are air conditioned and non-air conditioned. There are two luggage compartments or coaches, and then there is a coach for disabled people, and that is we call them differently able. This is my coach. So my coach is B2. And I have got a middle berth. Actually, we call this 3-tier. So there is a first class, there is a second AC, we call it, and we call it third AC. So this is a third air condition where you have 3 tiers. I'll show you the toilet. So this is the toilet, and it's very clean. This is the Western. You have a soap dispenser. The water hose is also good. You have a tissue paper over there. So this is the Western style, and on the other side is the Indian one. So there's an Indian style washroom, or you can say toilet, and the amenities are equal to both the Western and Indian. And now we'll be entering the compartment. So there's a door over here for the air conditioning. So as you see, already the passengers have come in. So mine is a middle berth. So there are 3 layers here. So mine is in between. So this is the place. This is my seat. So let us explore outside by that time, because there is a lot of time. I've come early. So these vehicles are electric vehicles where it's used for differently able people and as well as people who are senior citizen that's above 60. So you can hire this. Now very interesting, you can see a lot of garlands they have put on this train. So these garlands are put by the people who are visiting Sabarimala. Sabarimala is a place in Kerala, very holy place where during Sankranti comes on the 14th of January. So during Sankranti, these people, you can see these people, they are walking here in front of me. So they usually they wear black dress, but here you can see blue and also black. So they carry the puja items on their head and their belongings on the backpack. So they travel by train. Usually they don't wear any footwears. So barefoot they will be traveling. And this is the locomotive which will be hauling our train. So it has 7,000 horsepower, maximum speed of 160. So this will be hauling about 24 coaches. Our train has 24 coaches. Now you can see here the first coach is at the end and just on the first coach and the last coach is for the luggage. So this is the luggage here. That's the name of the train. And now you can see this the coach for differently able people. So handicap or any physical deformity, you can get into this coach. It's friendly for them. Then there is a women's compartment, and then this compartment is a second class. That's a non-air condition. Now very interesting. You can see some utensils here. So some trains we have a pantry car. We call it a pantry car or a dining car. So, but our train doesn't have. So here is an RO filter water. So filtered water, if you want, you can just fill your bottles. So I've come back to my coach. I'll be entering the coach now, and I just wanted to show you how our Indian trains look, and it is. I love to travel by these trains. It's you get a very good feeling when you travel by different people. You speak to the people. So this is the air condition here unit. That's the control panel for air condition, and you can see there is a small wash basin also, and you can move from one coach to another coach. And here also in this next coach you have a panel for air condition, and there is a garbage bin over there, a fire extinguisher. So now let me take you inside. Oh, the train has started already, and the train is right time started, and as we will be traveling, I'll be showing you, if at all I get up in the night, I'll be showing you some stations. So midnight I just got up, and this is Erode station which has come. So I just got up and the train just left the station. So this is a station. You can hear the advertisement, very interesting. Just listen to the advertisement. So our train has left the station. So we are leaving, and so our train has left the station. You can see that's the Erode station. It came in the midnight, and now the next station will be Coimbatore, and then this train reaches Palakkad early morning. That's 4:15 or 4:25, something like that. So the train is running right time. So I have to get some sleep, and this is where we have reached my destination. So I'll be getting down here, and the train will be going further to Thiruvananthapuram. So this is the journey I wanted to do after 2.5 years. Because of the COVID and the pandemic, I couldn't travel. So I hope you love this, and please do subscribe, and thank you for watching. Thank you very much. Thank you.